Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but your girl is now back with the jump off.
I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off.
I'm just saying. Okay, so today I have no idea what I'm going to do. I think I want to do like a pink color. I've been feeling so unmotivated lately. I don't have any inspiration. I'm just tired. But we're gonna start out with the James Charles palette. If I can get it open. Okay, here we go. I think we're gonna be using these colors in this little area right here. I'm not really sure. I also want to use, you guys know my makeup chamber palette, but as of right now, let's just go in with the I don't even know which color we could go in with. Let's go in with this. Let's try this pink color right here and see what happens. Let's just see. Okay, so we're gonna start with that pink color. It's going to blend this into the crease area. I kind of want to go in with the pink from the makeup chamber, but when I say that, it's like super pigmented. It's like so pigmented. I'm trying to do something a little soft today, so I'm not really sure that will be working for us. I'll probably go in with it in a second though. I'm not really sure. I just want to get this all into like the crease over here, like towards your inner corner. Just want to blend that into there as well. You guys know I like to build my colors, so we're going to be building the color. I haven't done color in like a couple weeks. Like when I say I have not done any makeup looks, I have not done any makeup looks. Like I've just been so uninspired. But today, bitch, that ends. That ends today. Okay, so because this pink is super pigmented, I'm going to try to go in with this one now. And let's just pray for the best, Jesus. Oh, there's the neonness. Oh, it's not what I wanted. Oh. Oh, gosh. Okay. It's so bright. I love it. But when I say this is pigmented, like honey child, boo boo girl, like shit. I do not have time for this today. I have somewhere to be. Okay. I don't know, y'all. Let's see if we can recover nicely. Okay, so now going in with this color right here. Hopefully this will kind of deepen up that crease a little bit and yeah, kind of help us, because right now, honey child boo boo, we are struggling, okay? Oh, that kind of, yeah, that might work. Okay. But yeah, this might work a little bit. I just want it deeper, like a deep pink, you know? I'm gonna just go into this inner corner over there and just blend there. Just making sure that we're blending out the outer corners as well. We just want like a nice little blend here. Yep. All right, people, I have already cut my crease, so now we're gonna go in with, let me show you guys, this little pink color right here. I'm trying to think if I want to add any type of sparkle to this. I'm not really sure. I might. I'm just blending out the crease, because from where I use that cut crease stuff, sometimes it will crease up on you before you're able to apply your eyeshadow. So you just want to make sure that it's blended out. Just going to apply this. You guys know I like to do a build up, so I'm just building up and I'm slightly tapping over like the previous colors, like those two colors that we have there, the pinks, just to give it a nice little gradient effect so it doesn't look too harsh. I was just thinking to myself, I'm like, do I want to be extra today? And the answer is hell yes. So we're going to add like a little bit of glitter. We're going to take like this pink glitter right here. And we're going to add that just a tad bit right here. That's cute. I mean, you guys probably can't really see it, but it's great. Okay, so here lately to highlight, I have been using... This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Chestnut and Almond. And I mix them on the back of my hands. And then I just simply put it under my eyes. You know how I do. Because I felt like the other one might have been like a little bit too bright. Just using fawn by itself. And I kind of wanted something that was a highlight but blended in with brown skin. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I just go down my nose. And also go in here because sometimes I get red in there. Yes, brown skin women can get red. So I get red around there. So I've been going in there. Sorry, my voice keeps going out, but yeah. So now I'm gonna blend this. I use a sponge to blend out. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Real Technique sponge. Do not judge me, it is pretty dirty. I need to clean it. But I get all in the inner corner and I just blend out. Okay, like that. I don't know what it is about this Real Techniques sponge, but baby, this has become like my ultimate favorite. Like this shit is amazeballs. It just like blends out like, whoa, okay. You look like a Power Ranger right now, Ari. I know. Okay, so now for the contour. Let's do it. All right, so for my contour, I've been using this, which is just a magic stick from my beauty supply store. I got like a shade that was a tinge darker than me. And I'm gonna contour this because I have like, I have like a double chin right here. It's not cute. I need to get it lipoed out or some shit. I guess when I become like a YouTube sensation, I can go and get that done. I was gonna do my forehead, but I'm not today. I don't have time for that. We'll use a powder on that. And then for that, I'm gonna use a sponge. You guys, my sponge is dirty. I just did my foundation on that. This is just like a setting spray. I just feel like it helps blend out the cream a little bit better. Okay, and then for the nose, I just take like an angled brush. I don't know if you guys can see. And I simply just blend out. These brushes I got from Miss A. And I think like everything is like $1 on their website. I'm sorry, y'all, my kids are in the background talking. I don't know if y'all can hear them. I'm getting ready to flip out because they arguing, and again, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Nobody has time for that in the morning. Like, damn, who wakes up to damn argue? My kids. Anyway, these brushes are like $1 a piece. I think you get like a set of 10 or 8 for like 10 bucks. They're really good. I mean, I don't know. I just haven't really ever been in the mode to spend a lot of money because your girl is broke. okay? But I like to look glamorous and rich. So, so yeah. You just want to blend this all the way out. And then what I do is I take like a little bit of concealer and I go on the side of it just to make sure that the nose contour is not super harsh. Y'all, I'm getting better at snatching noses, okay? I'm like, I love me a good pinched nose. That's my zhuzh. Okay, now we're gonna go in and set with the, excuse me, the Beauty Bakerie. This is the setting powder. I think this is in Flower. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in Flower. Okay, so then we set down our nose. This may seem like a lot, but I'm telling y'all it's not. I just like to set real good. And with the Beauty Bakerie, I have not experienced any flashback. Like, it's the truth, okay? I was a little bit nervous at first. I was like, man, I'm gonna use Beauty Bakerie. Y'all should totally spend the $25. It is really worth it. You can't use your $3.50 off coupon at Ulta though. It don't work on these type of products. Which is some BS. Come on, Beauty Bakerie. Give us a coupon or something. Okay, so now I lied. I'm not going to do my lips first. I'm going to do with the Black Radiance palette. I'm going to use the Sculpt. I use the Deep to Brown. But this color right here has become like way too pigmented for your girl. Like, out here in these streets looking uber chocolatey. So we're just going to contour with this one. We've already contoured. I'm just going through and setting it with the powder. Y'all know, as I like become a little bit older, or you know, as I'm in the game for a little bit more, if that makes sense, I'm starting to like lighten up on the makeup, just like a tad bit, not a lot, but like a little bit. Because before I liked a good deep contour, and now I'm like, oh, that might be too much. So this is, I believe, Raisin by MAC. Don't give me the line, because I really don't know. I think it's Raisin, but I'm not sure. If it's not Raisin, then this is totally the one that I like. I do like Raisin too, but I don't know which one this is. So, okay, so now I'm gonna take like just a brush and blend out. I did not do any color under my y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Under this, what is that? My eye line. Y'all know, shit, I think about it when I'm editing a video and I'll pop it in. But I did not do any color under there. I simply just use mascara on my face just to, shit. I'm so sorry. I simply use mascara just to bring out the waterline and kind of make it seem like I have eyeliner. There you go, boom. Eyeliner on there, but it's not. Like, there's absolutely nothing but just mascara. That's it, honey child, boo boo girl. Okay. And yeah, that's it. I'm just blending out. This is like major key. Just make sure. Do y'all see how effortlessly the fucking Beauty Bakerie blends out? Like, this is amazing. You know, sometimes you have like that chunkiness afterwards, but nope, not with Beauty Bakerie. just blends out. Like, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna just blend out over there down my neck. Okay, and that is it. Let me fix my hair or do something. I have not combed my hair in like about 5-6 days, y'all. Like, it's just, you know. But anyway, let me fix my hair. I'll come back, show you guys the finished look. All right, people, so this is the finished look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. It means a lot to me. But yeah, I'm gonna be quiet now so you guys can get into it. Like, my hair, this is about as good as it's gonna get today, folks. I'm sorry, it's just, I'm tired. So get into this look. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.